As a shop owner, you want to streamline the processes in your shop. Having your shop management system in there is the brain of your business. Everything runs through that system. So the credit card processing and your payments, having it all integrated into the shop management system just makes things easier for your shop. The other piece is that checkout experience is the last impression with your customer. So having the payments built into that shop management system just makes that experience for your customer much more streamlined. Quick little things, the digital signature capture, the customer's card never leaving their hands, not having to print out receipts and staple them to the invoice, all of those things makes that experience for your customer so much more streamlined and gives that good impression of your shop. As a shop owner, going with another credit card processor, your bank, or anybody that's not currently integrated into the software is a totally different experience for the customer. Think about the experience that most shops have. As a customer comes in, they have a terminal over to the side. The person behind the counter takes the customer's card, walks across the room, they punch in some numbers into the terminal, run the card, print out a receipt, then they have to go back to the customer has to sign a receipt, then sign the invoice. It's a whole back and forth with the customer. Moving everything to an integrated solution makes things a lot streamlined for the customer. Think about checking out at the grocery store. So the customer has their credit card in their hand, you just press a button in the software, it lights up a customer-facing credit card terminal, they're able to digitally sign on the screen, the customer's card never leaves their hand. All of that information then goes back into the shop management system. One piece of paper prints out that you're going to give the customer anyway, with all the receipt information already on there, the digital signature already printed on there, and you just hand that one piece of paper to the customer and they're out the door. Streamlining that whole process, not having to keep paper receipts, everything saved in the shop management system to make things a lot easier for you. Integrated payments with the shop management system makes things a lot easier at the checkout experience with your customer. The customer gets to digitally sign on the screen, there's no stapling receipts, and it makes the experience a lot easier and streamlined for the customer leaving your shop. Text-to-pay has been a huge advantage for a lot of our shop owners. Think about the process. When you're engaging with the customer, you're already texting back and forth with them through a DBI process or through your shop management system. We're just closing the loop. So at the end of that, you're texting them saying their vehicle's ready to be picked up. Now you have a little link on there that says, click here to pay. So they're paying from home, from their office, or after-hour pickups. So this is a big advantage for your shop, so you're able to have that customer pay before they even come into the shop. By the time they get there, all they're doing is just picking up their keys, grabbing the invoice, and they're out the door. So that whole checkout experience is completely streamlined if you're already able to do text to pay and have that payment taken care of before they come into the shop. Another benefit of integrated payments is end of day closing out your day. Having it on a side terminal, you have to batch out your terminal, you have to reconcile your terminal with all the transactions through the shop management system. When everything's integrated into the shop management system, that is completely taken off the table. At the end of the day, you go into your shop management system and all the reconciling is already done because the transactions are all done directly through the software. So printing out your end of the day report is just one report through your shop management system. Everything already matches up and you can just push that into the accounting system.